What's going on, guys? In this video I thought I would share some drills to improve your teep kick. Now in a previous video I had gone over a full instructional on how I teach the teep kick, and at the end of that video I had thrown some drills in there. But the video was pretty long, so I think that a lot of people didn't watch that back end part that had the drills in it, because I've had some people reach out and ask if I could share some drills for teep kicks. So I figured I'd do a new video and kind of share those same drills. And this is mainly because I do see the teep kick as one of the most valuable kicks in Muay Thai. For me, it's the second most valuable behind the roundhouse. For others, they will argue that the teep is the most valuable kick in Muay Thai, and they're not wrong either. A good teep kick provides offense, defense, distance control, feints. It's just all around effective if you're good at it. The teep is so valuable. It's so powerful. Somebody with good instincts, good technique, good balance, and a strong, effective teep kick is a serious problem for anyone standing in front of them. So as I always do on this channel, I want to provide some accessory work that can improve your teep kick, and it can cover all those bases as far as making it stronger, making you more balanced, helping with your timing, just giving you a better overall teep kick to enhance your Muay Thai. So let's go ahead and check out these drills. Again, these are drills that I find to be very effective, and I use them myself, and I use them with my students and my clients and my fighters. These are great drills. This is how I normally like to warm up my teep. So I place the ball on my foot, remember, not letting the heel touch or letting my foot touch flat. I place the ball and I just lean. I do 10 of those on each leg. Again, the ball on my foot. Not only is that good for warming up and strengthening the hip flexors, it's helping with your power on the back end when you learn how to push and open that hip. And it's a good stretch. You really feel that stretch. From there, you can do drills like a minute timer. So when I do that drill, I do like 20 on each leg and then maybe 10 on each leg. Then you could do drills where you're just pushing off the wall. This is so beneficial. One of my first coaches, Muay Thai coaches, taught me to do this. And it made my teep so strong. So you lean into the wall and you push off. It's a tremendous way to strengthen your teep kick. Then you can do alternating, or you can do one leg at a time, either 1 minute on each leg individually or multiple minutes alternating. Then there's just the touching. And this is good for flexibility and balance. So you seriously just tap the wall. By going slow, remember, you're always turning the workout or the training into strength training. So you are strengthening your legs for teeps. So again, just tapping. Just place your foot. The reason you want that kind of strength and balance is you want to control your teep, and it makes you super heavy when someone tries to plow through your teep and knock you over or knock you off balance. Now, one of my favorite drills is on a heavy bag, and this is really good for working your balance, working your timing, and just really getting precise with where you place your foot when you're throwing your teep. This is because as I'm teeping this bag and it's swinging back and forth, what will happen if you don't hit it dead center is it's going to rotate and then it spins out of control. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So the drill itself is basically, once you get this going, and I've talked about this on my heavy bag video, you keep the bag out there. You don't let it come past this threshold right here. Once you get it teeping, you keep it out here. What happens when people are doing this drill is if they hit off center, it starts spinning. So I tell people you have to stop it from spinning. So once you get it spinning, you need to center your kick back and stop the spin. Another option is if you have the 6-foot bag, teeping the center is obviously what you want to do, but there are benefits to teeping low. And all that is just timing and accuracy. And then you can start there and then work your way to the center. That is a very fundamental drill for teeping, and I recommend it. Now, what if you don't have a swinging bag? Because again, I've covered in my heavy bag video, I like swinging bags and I like grounded bags. Well, then you just work on your strength by going slow and balancing. This is strengthening your legs and your hip flexors, and it's improving your balance. So you just don't like move the bag too much. You kind of tap it, just like the drill I showed on the concrete wall. It's about getting used to the motion. And if you see when I place, just like I said on concrete wall, I am moving my hip as if I was going to push it. That gets me used to that motion, and it makes that motion strong. So when I do extend, my teep is really powerful. And then of course, you can work stronger teeps if you want. Now, these final drills are very helpful with balance and defense. So if you can do this without the wall, great. But if you can't, that's just a goal. Work towards being able to stand and then teep and pull back and teep and pull back. Like I can do about 4 right there when I'm demonstrating. When I was really into this drill, I think I could do 10 without holding onto the wall. But holding onto the wall is just fine. Put my hand here, I'm here, I extend, pull back. Extend, pull back. You could do sets of 5 or 10, and that really helps extend that pulling back motion. Here, hips are back to start, they're loaded. Extend, pull back. Extend, pull back. Extend, pull back. From doing drills like this and getting good at multiple teeps, I love a double teep where I don't put my foot down. Someone grabs my teep, boom, I rip, and then I teep them again. So when someone catches your teep, if you're good at ripping your hips back, pulling all this back, they have a hard time holding on, and they've already caught it low. So when you rip everything forward, they fall forward, or they disconnect their hands and this glove is kind of down here. So get really strong in this area as far as the way you extend, boom, and the way you rip back. When you rip back, it's really hard, and you're fast. They have a hard time even catching it. It's when you throw like a long teep that they have the time to really grip onto it, or your teep just stays there a little longer than it should. Again, a teep is a push kick, so you're not trying to like stab them like a karate kick. You push out, pull in. Hi. Oh. So, try those drills, and I hope they benefit you greatly in your training. As always, please be sure to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We appreciate the love, and that lets us know that we're providing content that people are enjoying. If you'd like to show even more love for the channel, why don't you check out some of the shirts at our store. And if you're a true fan, go ahead and pick something up and represent, and we'd really appreciate it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.